The Department of Health and Wellness recently engaged key stakeholders in the hospitality industry in a discussion aimed at implementing a response plan for the coronavirus that will ensure the preservation of the tourism product. Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Glensford Joseph says this dialogue is extremely important as measures will be put in place to ensure staff in the tourism sector are educated on ways to manage the threat of the coronavirus.
Mechanisms were put in place whereby if the hotels or operators encounter someone who may be having signs and symptoms consistent with the novel coronavirus, and especially having a history of travel, how they can best isolate those persons in a designated area and call the ministry for supportive care.
Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Tourism, Donalyn Viti, says her ministry remains committed to working with the Department of Health to ensure all procedures at the air and seaports are followed in order to prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
Well, within the industry, we have accommodation properties, we have sites and attractions, we have the transportation sector with taxi drivers, we have the marine-based businesses. So we're really looking at those persons who are essential to driving the businesses, whether it be on the management level or the operational level. But essentially, our hope is to work with all those who are essential to any business or any site and attraction, any tourism enterprise, who would be responsible for carrying out and surveillance to further assist the authorities, the health department, the security department, so that they can be charged with the information to act.
Chief Executive Officer of the St. Lucia Hospitality and Tourism Association, Norani Aziz, spoke on the importance of educating stakeholders within the tourism sector on how to mitigate the spread of the coronavirus.
We are comfortable that we have set up a decent plan of engagement that will include general meeting and information sharing, training of trainers who will hopefully roll out to provide more on-site engagement and development of our team members, and also to look at the various pieces of communication literature that we can use to strengthen and enhance the transfer of those competencies.
The Department of Health and Wellness remains committed to continue dialogue with stakeholders in the tourism sector, including Ministry of Tourism, the St. Lucia Hospitality and Tourism Association, and the St. Lucia Tourism Authority. Reporting from the Communications Unit of the Ministry of Health and Wellness, I am Fennel Neptune.